Fire Creek's one of the highest grade deposits in the world to date. The challenge with those high grades in the narrow vein is keeping your dilution down, which miners here do a great job at.
It doesn't really take a lot to make it profitable because it is such high grade. So like this stoping method, we've really concentrated on shrinking down the heading sizes to what they are to make it profitable. And with that, I mean, it just keeps extending our future out. We're hitting about 300 tons a day, so it has to really make money. And the narrow vein that we do here really produces well. You know, our footprint is so small that if we do have one hiccup, it really kills our tons, and then we're hurting. So everything has to kind of click and work, and you don't get a lot of options for mistakes. There's no other place to go if you don't get the tons out of this stope.
We got a diversified fleet here at Fire Creek. Not only do we have the larger jumbos, which are developing our waste development drives that are 15 by 15, but we've got the small 2-yard fleet, which are really the workhorses here at Fire Creek that we mine the ore with and keep our headings down. We use them to mine on the vein, on the structure, keeping our dilution down to just over 3% from design. We've partnered with Sandvik to do our maintenance here at Fire Creek. The benefit of that is we've got the buying power of Sandvik behind us for parts availability. We've got the warehouse here. We don't have to stock the parts on site, which drives our maintenance costs down considerably. And with them doing the maintenance for us, they guarantee availability on that equipment, which keeps the mining continuing here at Fire Creek. Sandvik does a great job maintaining our equipment. It's a pleasure to work with their staff here, and there's a great benefit to have partners such as Sandvik.
When I look at the mobile equipment operating costs, at Fire Creek typically we're running about 21% of the total mining cost. So that's really good. If we get a truck go down, you know, we're probably losing $250,000 a day in lost production, you know, so it's critical that we keep our trucks and loaders, muckers, everything going, you know. The Fire Creek mine is critical to the profitability of Klondike's gold. It's high grade, low tons, so yeah, we've got to keep all our equipment get down because it's really critical to us. With the asset agreement, basically what happens is we have a supply department that's Sandvik. So that supply department is global, so when we're looking for a part or we need to resource a part, we have the whole of Sandvik globally sourcing those parts for us. Genuine parts do make a difference. You know, new for old programs that they have, their new 365 program, I think there's a lot of benefits in there for us.
Fire Creek's future is very promising. We're stepping out from the mine workings, starting to find more and more veins that are high grade, and it's very exciting times. We're finally into production and got a steady flow of muck coming out of the mine, and we're looking to advance that in the near future and build our future here that lasts decades.